Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of Amazon S3 connector for the Odoo. It allows you to attach the files directly from the sale order attachments and store them securely in the Amazon S3 cloud. It automatically uploads and manages the documents in the S3 instead of your local storage. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database and I'm just going to the settings. So here you will find one option for the cloud storage. So here you have to enter the credentials for the S3 connector and here you have to add the minimum file size in the bytes. After that I'm just going to the sales. Now I'm just going to create the new sale order. And now I'm just going to add the attachments. After that, I'm just going to confirm the same. Now I'm just navigating to the S3 connector. So this is the Amazon S3 connector portal. So here you can see one folder is created. Here our attachment is successfully stored. If I'm selecting this URL, so you can able to preview this attachment. After that, I'm just going to this Amazon S3. So over here also you can able to find the document we stored in the Amazon S3 cloud. If you select this, you can able to preview this, and if you want to download this attachment, so you can also able to download it. Now I'm just going to the attachments. So here in the attachments you can see the stored URL and the every details for the resource sale order and everything is successfully fetched over here in the attachments section. So this is how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.